Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Bad Girl Britt. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back giving y'all the best content. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel to become a part of my family. Big thumbs up, subscribe down below. Let me know down in the comments how you like the video. Let me know down in the comments any other videos that you want to see me do. I'm out of breath.
I gotta get out of here.
And I'm not sweating, y'all. It's this light. But y'all see the video title and y'all understand why the light is the way it is. So
nothing left to say, like period.
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 I'm gonna go get some water. Okay, that took longer than I expected. But I got my drink. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right into the video, y'all, because I don't like this light and I'm pretty sure y'all not liking it either. So the ring light that I ordered on Amazon is this FEELSO ring light. It's a 10.2 inch ring light, and it comes with 2 parts to put your device. And yeah, so let's just bust this bad baby wide open. Okay, so this is the box that it came in, and okay, stuff is falling. This is the ring light. Girl got a new ring light. Like, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. Now I can give y'all content, but this is what I've been waiting for. Instructions. It look like this. I'm gonna put everything that I saw on Amazon on the side of the screen for y'all, and the price and everything, because I forgot. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and try to put this together, and I'll see y'all when it's done. Put y'all in a time lapse.
It's hot.
I hope I don't get copyrighted, because I am playing music. We're gonna untighten the screws. I said I wasn't gonna untighten screws, but oh well. Okay, so it's taller than I thought. Okay. Sorry, Amazon, for bashing y'all before even checking the product first. Y'all can see it's falling. Like it's not on a level surface or something. Yeah, this, I don't know if I'm missing some screws or
Meanwhile, 2 hours later, 8:01 p.m. the next day.
I'm gonna plug it in and light it up, and I'm gonna set y'all up right there, and yeah. And now it's just supposed to click on, so let's see. No.
Got him! Got him!
No. Let's see. Maybe I'll put something in wrong. Let's see. Either way, it goes. The light should light up. Ugh. This is so much. So I'm just gonna put it. Y'all, it's not working. Oh. What did we do? Okay. Oh, look at y'all. Okay, I'm gonna push y'all right here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put y'all right here up, too. So y'all can see. It wouldn't be so bad. Okay. I can definitely do my story times right here, boo. Excuse the dark marks, y'all. It wouldn't be. Y'all have any products that y'all use, or y'all know anybody that use something? You know, in the comments. Know what they do? I can definitely do comments. Any products right here, to clear dark marks. So, excuse the dark marks, y'all. Just fighting the dark marks. Y'all have anyways products that y'all use, or you know, we got that use something working in the comments. Okay, I want to try a different setting. Let me know down in the comments any products to clear dark marks. So acne gone, just fighting the dark marks. Anyways, we got this a little too bright working. Let's see how bright it can go. Okay, I'm gonna try the different settings. I don't want to mix something up. Okay, so that's down a little bit. What's the darkest? That's the darkest. Up. Alright, that's a little too bright. Let's see how bright it can go. That's the brightest. I think I like this. Okay, it also came with this. I don't know who I'm talking to right now, but it also came with this. So if I'm just like sitting here and I don't want to press my phone, I can just connect this to one of my phones and yeah, it'll start the video, end the video, whatever you want it to do. And also, I'm supposed to be able to put this somewhere on this tripod to have a second camera view, but I don't see where. Oh, it's just supposed to click on. Okay. Y'all about to make me mess up something. I don't even want to mess up nothing, so I'm not even gonna bother it. Y'all missed me. I missed my channel. Did y'all miss me? I missed you guys. And like I said, I'm back with the videos now. I was just waiting for my ring light. I have a whole bunch of content coming at y'all. So just make sure that you click my notification button to be notified once I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. And let me know down in the comments any other videos that y'all want to see me do. I know y'all said a bathing suit haul, but it's kind of cold now. But I have the bathing suits, but it's kind of cold now, so I didn't know if y'all wanted to still see that or not. So let me know down in the comments if y'all still want to see that, because if y'all still want to see that, then baby girl, we're gonna do it. But yeah, back to the ring light. I think I'm gonna keep y'all right here and right there. I think I like this. Ooh. Okay. Let me find out that I did something. It's still kind of dark over here, but we right here. Right here. I love the ring light. 1 out of 10, I give it a 8 because I couldn't put, well, I haven't even tried. I didn't read the instructions, so I don't even want to say I can't put it on there, but if something's supposed to open, I'm supposed to clamp it on there. I don't want to break it, so I'm still gonna give my rate 1 out of 10 on the scale 1 to 10. Excuse me. On the scale 1 to 10, I give it a I give it an 8 because my tripod not standing up straight. I couldn't put this on yet, but if I am able to put it on, then it'll be a 9 out of 10. Okay. So if y'all do want this ring light, like I said, it's all the information right here on Amazon. I think it was like $30–40. It takes a while to ship, which is why y'all wasn't getting no content, because I was waiting for my ring light. And like I said, it takes a while to ship, like a couple days. Loosen the screw, Brittnay. Loosen the screw. Okay. Open the screw outwards. Okay. Maybe it's not loose enough. Okay, because it's supposed to open. This is supposed to open. Ah, I was twisting the wrong thing. Okay. Y'all see that? Okay, so if it goes on like it's supposed to go on, then yeah. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I wasn't gonna stop until I opened it and found it out. I think that's it for this. I think that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to share my videos with your auntie, your cousin, your brother, your haters, whoever you want to share it with. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to become a part of my family. You do not want to miss out on any videos, so you won't miss out. I got a little secret. So you won't miss out. Just click the bell. Just click the bell to be notified once I upload a new video. It's right next to the subscribe button, right there. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I won't keep you guys waiting a whole month or 2 again. I mean, I won't, I promise. But yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.